don't know what kind of ugly man that Johnny set me up on.
Beauty, no worry about that. He ugly, but he have money.
He have money? Yes, Beauty, I have money. Now go on out there and dance with the man and stop going like an idiot.
Come, Beauty, pick out one nice dress and go dance with him. I'll make him mind you.
Me no want that dress there, give me the yellow one.
Go on, Beauty, get some money for me to your ear.
Lad, ain't ugly, sir. I hope you not touch me with the little cranny and them. Hi, my name is Beauty.
My name Beef, you can get a dance.
Take your hand off of my bottom, me too bright.
Sorry, Beauty.
Yes, your face. Him ugly gone to bed, trying to give him no head.
Beauty and the Beast.
He might not really hot, but him bank book fat.
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty, I can't shine now because the girl there but tell me I'm ugly.
Beast, you're not ugly. You're just hard to look pan.
So you like me? Anything you want, just make me know you're here.
Anything?
Yes, anything I want.
You can pay me mother mortgage for me?
Yeah?
I'm my sister student loan. And my uncle business a shut down. He want 100,000 for borrow. Thank you, Beast.
So you're not going to like a pum pum.
Next week.
Next week?
Zabz.